Okay, I'm back here with another video, and I'm going to be reviewing the Stealth Angel Survival Tactical Kit. It comes in this plastic box with 4 clips around the edges to seal it. On the inside it has this gun case padded lining and an O-ring seal along the edge. The first item is this card tool. This is on my last video, and it just has miscellaneous tools, and it comes in this leather case with an instructional sheet on the inside. Next item is a ferrocerium rod and striker. I'm not going to actually strike this since I'm inside. Third item is this keychain flashlight. It's button powered, and on the top it actually has this switch right there, and you can have it permanently on. Keychain whistle is made out of aluminum. Pretty loud. Flashlight. It's made out of strong steel, metal. It comes with regular, I-beam, and strobe light. Next is a metal pen. It's twist opening. And on the back here it has a tip. I can't remember what it's made out of, but it can smash through car windows if you need to get out. And it comes with a clip on the back. Compass, this was also on my last video. It comes with inch mark, centimeter mark. The top can actually move around, and it comes with a lanyard. I bought it from Stealth Angel Company. Check out their place. They have a lot of interesting items. And I'll see you tomorrow. I'm going to be doing a knife review video, so watch that.